students, today we are going to discuss the BCD to XS3 code converter circuit, and after discussing it we will design a BCD to XS3 code converter. First of all, we must know about what is the BCD. Basically, BCD is binary coded decimal. In binary coded decimal, basically we convert a decimal into binary having a weightage of 8421. In other words, we also say this BCD is also known as the 8421 code, in which we convert the decimal into the binary numbers and by using the BCD. When we convert the BCD into XS3 code, so you must know about this, that what is the XS3 code. If you note that this code is having the name of XS3 code. XS means increment and 3 means increment of 3. So you may say this. Here we are having the BCD code, and in BCD code we are adding 3. After this, the numbers, the binary numbers that we get, the combination that we get, that is known as the XS3 code. So first of all, we will see the truth table. In that, the BCD code, that is basically the 8421 code, and we will convert this 4-bit input signal. Here we are having the input of A, B, C, D, and we will convert it into the XS3 code where the output is also 4-bit, and that is the WXYZ. And here we are discussing the truth table of this. Here in this truth table, the left side is the input side, that is the BCD code, and the right side is the XS3 code, that is the output side. Here we are having the 4 inputs, that is A, B, C, D. So the first combination is 0, 0, 0, 0, and this is equivalent to the decimal of 0 decimal. When we add 3 in 0, then we get the answer 3, and that 3 is equal to the 0, 0, 1, 1. Here in this side, WXYZ, that is the output, and this output is having the XS3 code. We have added 3 in the 0 decimal. When we added the 3 in the 0 decimal, then we get 3, and that 3 is equivalent to 0, 0, 1, 1 when we write it in the BCD. So this will be the output of 0, 0, 1, 1. It is of 0, 0, 0, 0. Next one is the 1 decimal, and the 1 decimal is equal to the BCD 0, 0, 0, 1. When we add 1 in 1 decimal, 3 in 1 decimal, then we will get the answer of 4, and that 4 is equivalent to 0, 1, 0, 0 in BCD. But we say that this is the XS3 code. In the next combination, we are having the 2 decimal, and that 2 decimal is equivalent to BCD code of 0, 0, 1, 0. When we add 3 in 2, then we get the answer of 5, and that 5 is equivalent to 0, 1, 0, 1 in BCD, and that is the XS3 code. Then the next combination is 0, 0, 1, 1, that is equivalent to 3 decimal. So when we add 3 in this 3, then we get the answer of 6, and that will equivalent to 0, 1, 1, 0. So that would be the output. The next combination is 0, 1, 0, 0, that is the 4 decimal, equivalent to 4 base 10. So when we add 3 in 4, then we get the answer of 7, and that is equivalent to in XS3 code you will write it 0, 1, 1, 1. In next, we are having 5 decimal, and that is equivalent to 0, 1, 0, 1. When we add 3 in 5, then we will get the answer of 8. That 8 is equivalent to 1000. That is the in case of BCD code. But when we add 3 in this, then we say this is the excess 3 code. Then the next combination is 0110. That is equivalent to 6 decimal. 6 plus 3, that is equal to 9. So we will get the output of 1001. Next combination is 0111. That is 7 decimal. When we add 3 in this 7, then we will get the answer of 10. And the 10 is equivalent to 1010. That is in the excess 3 code. Next is 1000. That is equivalent to 8 decimal. When we add 3 in this 8, then we will get the result of 11, and that is equal to 1011. That is in the excess 3 code. The next combination is 1001. That is the 9 decimal, equivalent to 9 base 10. When we add 3 in this 9, then we will get the result of 12, and that 12 is equivalent to 1100. That is in the excess 3 code. Now comes towards the next combination, that is the 1010. That is equivalent to 10 decimal. And here you may see this, add this combination and all the remaining combinations. That is for 1011, that is equivalent to 10, then 11 1011, 12 1100, 13 1101, 14 1110, and 15 1111. For all these we are having the don't care conditions here. We are having only cross here. Why is the reason of this having the don't care here? Basically the reason behind this is, these are the invalid combinations for the BCD. These combinations from 10 decimal to 15 decimal. That is from 1010, 1011, 1100, 1101, 1110 and 1111. All these combinations are basically the invalid combinations. Why these are the invalid combinations? Because here we are having 10, that is 10. When we write it in BCD, then we will separate it. This 10 will be separated as 1 and 0. So in BCD we will write the code for 1, that is equal to 0001, and for 0 we will write the code of 0000. That's why we say this, these are the combinations that are invalid for BCD, but from 0 to 9 we are having the valid combinations for BCD. So we are having the output from 0 to 9 decimal, that are the valid combinations, and from 10 to 15 we are the invalid combinations. So now in the next step we will draw the K-map for each output. The output, that is W, X, Y, Z, we are having there, and in this case we are having the don't care conditions for the combinations of 1010, 1011, 1100, 1101, 1110 and 1111. So first of all we will draw the K-map for the W output. For the W output you may see this, that M5, M7, M6, M8 and M9, these are having 1s. That is from this truth table we are having the W output, and here M5, M6, M7, M8 and M9, this is 1, and all other combinations, that is M0, M1, M2, M3 and M4, it's 0. So for M12, M13, M14, M15, M10 and M11 we are having the don't care condition. When we make the groups here, then there is a quad here in which M5, M7, M13 and M15. Then there is another quad that is of M6, M7, M14 and M15. Then there is an octet that is of M8, M9, M10, M11, M12, M13, M14 and M15. So when we solve for the first one quad, that is for M5, M7, M13 and M15, we will get the answer of BC. When we solve for the second quad, that is of M6, M7, M14 and M15, we will get the answer of BD. And when we will solve for the octet, that is of M8, M9, M10, M11, M12, 13, 14 and 15, then we will get the answer of A. So W is equal to A plus BC plus BD. The output W, we will get the answer in the form of sum of product. In the form of SOP, the answer is A plus BC plus BD. Now when we solve for the output X, then we are having the output ones at M1, M2, M3, M4 and M9. We can verify it from the truth table also. Here M1, M2, M3, M4 and M9. We are having the output 1 here. So when we solve for it, so first we are having a pair at M4 and M12. Then we are having a quad here for M1, M3, M9 and M11 and another quad of M3, M2, M11 and M10. When we solve this pair, then we will get the answer of B, C complement, D complement. And when we solve for this quad, that is of M1, M3, M9 and M11, we will get the answer of B complement D. And when we get the quad of this M2, M3, M10 and M11, then we will get the answer of BD. So X is equal to BD plus B complement D plus B C complement D complement. That will be the output for X, expression for X. As here we are having X is equal to B complement C plus B complement D plus B C complement and D complement. Now we will solve. So for Y output we are having 1 at M0, M3, M4, M7 and M8. So here we will get a quad of M0, M4, M12 and M8 and another quad of M3, M7, M15 and M11. For first one quad we will get the answer of C complement D complement, and for the second one we will get the answer of C D. So here we will get the output of Y is equal to CD plus C complement D complement. That is here Y is equal to CD plus C complement D complement. Now we will solve for Z output. So here we are having 1 at M0, M2, M4, M6 and for M8. Here we will get an octet that is of M0, M4, M12, M8 and M2, M6, M14 and M10. When we solve for this, we will have an octet here. So when we solve for this octet, then we will get Z is equal to D complement. That is Z is equal to D complement. Now from this expression, that is in the form of SOP, in the form of sum of product, we will implement the output circuit, that is this one. This is the BCD to XS 3 code. Here is the Z output, and the Z output was the simply D complement. So here is the input D, that is by using a NOT gate we have converted it and got the output Z. For Y we are having CD plus C complement D complement. Here is CD and then C complement and D complement. So we will get here C complement and D complement, and we will get the value of Y. Next is the X, where X is equal to B complement C plus B complement D plus B C complement D complement. So here we will get the value of X, and similarly here we will get the value of W. So by this is by using the basic gates. You can also implement the circuit diagram by using the exclusive NOR gate or by using the exclusive OR gate, because you have seen this, the Y is equal to CD plus C complement D complement, that is the output of exclusive NOR gate. That you may say that is the invert of exclusive OR gate. So implement that circuit by yourself for 2 days. This is the end of BCD to XS 3 code converter. Thank you.